My dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. In previous class, we discussed article. We know that article, two kinds of article, definite and indefinite. Last day, we discussed it, definite and indefinite article. Basically, definite the and indefinite a and indefinite article. Last day we discussed definite article. Today and now we are going to discuss indefinite article. Okay, my dear students, now look indefinite article. How to use indefinite article, that is a and an. A and an. Now look where we use or when we use a and an. A for an is used when it is mentioning someone or something, basically singular countable noun, countable noun. If you find a singular countable noun, then you have to, before that countable noun, you have to use a or an. But when we use a or an, we know A to Z are alphabets, 26 alphabet, A to Z, 26 alphabet. From 26 alphabets, 5 letters are vowel and rest of the 21 letters are consonant. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are vowel and 20 rest of the other letters or 21 words are consonant. If a singular countable noun starting consonant, you have to write and, but vowel, that is A, E, I, O, U, then you have to write. Now look, I saw a man on the street. Here, man, noun, before noun, you have to write a or an. But when we write a or an, if the consonant, here aim, consonant word, here aim consonant, so before consonant we have to use a. But next sentence, an old lady came to my house. Now look, here an old, here before old was first old, o while. So before vowel you have to use an. Okay, my dear students, have you any question, any problem? Okay, thank you. Next, serial number 2. Now look, serial number 2. A oblique n is used to indicate an unit. Unit. Now look, 100 centimeters make a meter. So here, meter, a unit. So before unit word, you have to use a or an. If consonant same, if consonant, you have to use A and vowel, you have to write an. Then second sentence, an ounce is enough for you. Here, ounce, oh, vowel, so here, an. Okay. Serial number 2. Have any question? Okay. Next, serial number 3. Serial number 3. An is used in the sense of one like. One like. But what is one like? Okay. Now look. One like. If the word a proper noun, a common noun. To make a proper noun, a common noun. Now look, Nazrul. This is a proper noun. This is a Nazrul proper noun. But he thinks he is a Nazrul, but a common noun. To make proper noun, a common noun. So here Nazrul before Nazrul a. Then next sentence, he seems to be an American. Here a vowel, so here yeah. Okay. This is vowel or consonant. For vowel or consonant. Now look, serial number 4. Serial number 4. An is used before an unknown name or full name. Unknown name or full name. Now look, an Iqbal came to collect news here. We know proper noun here Iqbal or Mr. Sen. Here Iqbal proper noun. But we know that before proper noun, we cannot use article. But here, why article? Why? Here article an or a Mr. Shen. An Iqbal or a Mr. Shen. Basically, here Iqbal, I don't know, or you do not know. So, here unknown person or unknown. And Iqbal came to collect news. Same, if Mr. Sen came to see here unknown name or full name. Okay. Okay. Next, serial number 5. An is used in the sense of the same. Same of the same. Birds of a feather flock together. Here, feather, same group. Okay. Before same, we have to use a. Next, serial number C. Now look, serial number C. A or an is used to donate profession, trade, class, and so on. Before this, we have to use a or an. When we use a or an, we have discussed it. Okay. Now again, before consonant, you have to use a, and vowel you have to use. Okay. He is a shopkeeper or he is an engineer. Now look, shopkeeper here, shopkeeper is consonant, and engineer here, engineer e vowel. So here a and use because shopkeeper and engineer are profession, trade, businessman, same. Okay, this is donate, profession or trade, clear, class, and so on. Now, serial number 7. Serial number 7. AN is used before dozen, 100,000, million, and so on. Thus, if you find in a sentence, you have to use a or an. Now look, here are a dozen of bananas. There are a thousands people. There dozen or thousand, you have to use a or an. Okay. Next, serial number 8. An used in the sense of is or part. Is or part. Now look, he earns 10,000 taka a month. Here is month or a month, same. So before is or par, we have to use a or an. Okay. Next, he drives the car at 5 kilometers an hour. That is an hour. That's mean per hour. Okay. Now serial number 9. A or an is used to indicate a class as a whole. Now look, a cow has horns. Basically, not a cow, all cows. But when we all cows have horns, but a cow has horns, this is common noun, and before we have to use a or an. Same, the elephant or an elephant never forgets. Okay. Now serial number 10. A or an is used before some words or phrase. Now look, I have a headache. I am in a hurry. Or he had a bad fall. Okay. Okay. Next, serial number 11. A or an is used in exclamatory sentence beginning with what. If you find an exclamatory sentence and the exclamatory sentence starting hot or beginning hot, after hot, you have to use a or an. Okay. Now look example. What a pity. What an awful remark. Okay. This is a and used. Next, a or an is used before few, little, lot of, good deal of, great many, good many, and so on. We have to use, if you find this word or a group words, you have to use a or an. Here, there are a, sorry, there are, there are a lot of books. There is a little honey. There is a little honey in the pot. Okay. But sometimes little now some different word. Little oblique a little or the little. Same few a few or the few. Now, what is the difference between little or few? They are little liquid things. Liquid things, that's mean water, water, honey, hydrogen, oxygen. These are these word you have to use, or liquid things you have to use little, a little, or the. But few, a few, the few. Where we have to use few, a few, the few. Basically, little, a little, the little, few, a few, the few, same. But little, a little, the little, use before liquid things. But few, a few, the few, use before number or person or person. Now look an example. There is a little. There is little, Little, little water in the jar. In the jar. Now look, there is little water. Same, same. Now look, same. There is a little water. Oh, sorry. There is a little water. There is the little water. What is the difference between little water, a little water, the little water? What is the difference between little water, a little, or the little? Basically, little, only little, negative word. Only little, negative word. But a little or the little, affirmative. A little or the little, affirmative. Okay. There is no little water in that jar. Basically, the in the jar, water is so little. There is no little water in the jar. Same. But there is a little water in the jar. There is a little water in the jar. The jar has some water, but not used. But the little water, a little water, some use. But the little water, the jar has water, full water, but only little water is shown. Okay, but few. Here now look, he has a few friends. He has a few friends. But now look, he has a few friends. Here, few friends, person, a few. But he has few friends. He has few friends. That is negative word. He has the few friends. Affirmative word. He has a few friends. Affirmative. Okay, that is the difference between little or few. Okay, my dear students. Now look, how to use indefinite article a. Okay. In previous time I discussed, but again I will discuss it. If we find consonant before a word, you have to use a. I have a cat. He had. He bought a car. Now, in previous time, I discussed consonant and vowel. If the pronunciation of vowel likes you before a word, you have to use a, not an. Now look, my brother is a university student. Now look, here you, university. Here you vowel. Here you vowel. But starting you, but it pronunciation you work as a vowel. So before this word, we have to use a, not an. Same, it is a unique case. It is a unique case. Here, unique case. Here, you as vowel, pronunciation as vowel. So, this unique you have to use a, not an. Next, serial number C before one, when one, we have to use a, not an. Always when you want, we have to use a. He is a one-eyed man. I have a one taka. Okay. Next serial number D. Serial number D before is and pronunciation is. So we have to use a. It is a historical place. I saw a horse in the field. Here is same. I have to use short form of word. We have to use a if it is pronunciation like as consonant. My brother is a BA. Here B consonant at first, pronunciation consonant. So here we have to use a, not an. Same. He was a CA. So thus we have to use article A. Have you any confusion, my dear students? Okay. I hope next time you will answer the question clearly. Basically in article, definite article and article and indefinite article a or an. Okay. Next class, I'll discuss rest of the article. Okay. I hope you will stay home and study well. Save you and save your family and save the country. Thank you, everyone.